Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting this channel. Today one question from JEE main, and this question was asked in 2025 only. The remainder when 7 raised to the power 103 is divided by 23 is equals to, the options are 12, 14, 9 and 6. So here we will apply little Fermat's little theorem. So according to Fermat's little theorem, if P is a prime number, suppose you had 7 raised to the power, your P minus 1 is congruent to 1 modulo P, and when 7 and P are coprime, they don't have any common factor. So using this, we'll write 7 power your 22 is congruent to 1 modulo 23. That means when 7 raised to the power 22 is divided by 23, we get the remainder is 1. Now here it is 7 raised to the power 103. So I'll write this 103 in term of 22. So 103 can be written as 22 multiplies 4 plus 15, because if 7 power 22 is congruent to 1 modulo 23, that means 22 multiple anything will also congruent to 1 modulo 23. So this will be leaving 1 when divided by 23. Now coming to 15. So 7 raised to the power 103 is same as your 7 raised to the power 88 into 7 power 15. So 7, it is 22 to the power 4 into 7 power 15. So 7 power 22 power 4, that means 88, it is congruent to 1 power 4, that is 1 modulo 23, that means it will be remainder 1 only. Now coming to 7 power 15. For 7 power 15, we'll write that 7 power 2 equal is 49, that is your congruent 3 modulo 23. So 23 2 times is 46, it leaves the remainder 3. Similarly 7 power 4 is congruent to then 3 square modulo 23, or that will be congruent to 9 modulo 23. Then 7 power 8 is again congruent to 9 square modulo 23. 9 square is 81. 81 modulo 23 is congruent to 23 3 times 69. So it will be 12 modulo 23. That means 7 power 15 equals to, can be written as 7 power 8 multiply 7 power 14, multiply 7 power 2, multiply 7. So 7 power 8 leaves the remainder 12. So 12 into 7 to the power 4 leaves the remainder 19, and 7 power 2 leaves the remainder 3, and again 7. So 7 power 15 is congruent to this modulo 23. So next, coming to your both the cases, we can pair it or you can multiply it. This is 108 multiplies 21 modulo 23. If we take 108 is when divided by 23, it will be 4 times 92, it will be 16, I think. How much it will be? It will be in 23 16, it will be 16. And here 21 is your minus 2, modulo 23. So this equals to, your minus 32 modulo 23. So this is same as your congruent to your 14 modulo 23, because 23 multiple is your 46, and 46 minus 32 equals to 40. So the answer is your 40. So I don't claim this is the only method, we can convert this in other method also. So which was in answer? Answer is 2 is the answer. Or we can start from here if you don't want to take the negative one. So this will be 108 multiplies 21 modulo 23 is 18 leaves the remainder 16. So 16 into 21 modulo 23, that is 336 modulo, all are congruent to. So that will be 14 is the remainder, 14 modulo 23. So thank you for watching.